What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Hey?
Shh. Shush. Get over here.
Quiet, you dog. What are you doing in the tree? Huh? What are you doing in the tree?
Shh. Well, Julio will have to take a picture of you too, Roxy. Put your little hat on and Julio can take a picture of you in your hat. I should turn on the light, eh?
No, that's fine. No, that's fine.
What are you doing in the tree? What are you doing in the tree, baby? Look at that. I was going to sit there. Sydney, what are you doing? What are you doing, honey? Oh, that's going to be pretty. I like to put that picture on Facebook.
Yeah, sure.
You'll have to show me how to do that.
I'll just post it to your wall.
Oh, that's cute. You taking pictures?
No, it's a video.
Oh, you're taking a video.
Oh, he's chewing on it.
Roxy, Sydney.
Okay. All right, out we go. Come on. Come on now. Out you go. Out you go. Come on. No, no, no. Come on. No, 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 no.
There you go.
See? See? You don't need to... You don't need to pick him up.